USPQ cases on Bloomberg Law for the Intellectual Property Research course at Boston College Law School. Bloomberg Law is a comprehensive legal research system like Lexis and Westlaw. And like Lexis and Westlaw, it supports both Boolean and natural language searching. If you have a citation for a case, you can type that citation into the universal search box at the top of the page. Once you've typed it in, click on Go to this citation under the search box to retrieve the case, rather than to search for all documents containing the elements of the citation as search terms. This retrieved case has parallel citations to the official U.S. reports, West Supreme Court Reporter, Lexis's Lawyers Edition U.S. Reports, and something abbreviated as USPQ Second. This is a reference to a publication that was originally a loose-leaf service called United States Patents Quarterly from a company called the Bureau of National Affairs, BNA. USPQ contains cases from the courts as well as administrative decisions from the USPTO. As a loose-leaf service, it was much faster than regular print reporters, and as a topical service, it contained many unreported decisions that were not included in West Reporters. In 2011, Bloomberg Law purchased BNA, and access to USPQ features is now through the Bloomberg Law platform. On Bloomberg Law, you can choose to display the pagination from USPQ, or for one of the Supreme Court reporters, or all four versions of the case. You can also choose to see the headnotes assigned to this case by BNA editors. The first headnote we see is from another BNA publication, Internet Law. Below that is the beginning of a second headnote that is classified according to the classification system of Bloomberg BNA's USPQ. Here's a more complete view of the USPQ headnote. It has been assigned 3 topics under the heading Trademarks and Unfair Trade Practices, and a 4th topic under the heading Judicial Practice and Procedure. The general information on this case includes a link to a related docket. One of Bloomberg's largest strengths at this time is its collection of dockets and proceedings, both state and federal. Bloomberg mines data from Pacer nightly. If this case had a Bloomberg Law citation, that would also be available here under General Info. Get to a docket by linking from a decision, as I did here, or by running a docket search. Bloomberg dockets contain information on the parties and attorneys involved in the case, as well as docket entries, which is a list of documents filed with the court as part of this case. Those not available can be requested for a fee. Once Bloomberg has retrieved a document, Bloomberg allows anyone who has a subscription to Bloomberg Law to access that document for no additional fee. Returning to the case, we see what is displayed when you click on the B-Site Analysis link. There's a summary of the information available through B-Site, which is the Bloomberg Law citator. There are links to direct history, case analysis, tables of authority, and citing documents. Case analysis includes both positive and treatment, and in this case, things that distinguish our case. The B-Site Indicators link provides an explanation of the visual representations used by B-Site. Case analysis provides links to all citing cases and can be sorted by date, analysis, citation frequency, or court. Results can also be filtered by citing case analysis or status, citation frequency, court, judge, or date. Returning to the case again, we see points of law, which give the researcher the opportunity to jump to portions of the case that contain language critical to the court's holding or governing statements of law. These links are machine-generated and not related to search terms that were used to find the case. To research intellectual property issues, click Browse All Content in the upper left side of the screen. Then select Practice Centers. Intellectual property is divided into 2 practice centers, Patents and Trade Secrets, and Trademarks and Copyrights. On the Trademarks and Copyrights page, you can link to a specialty practice area or scroll down to Practice Tools, where you have the option of linking to the USPQ classification outline for topical access to cases. Expand the outline to see all the points of law and the USPQ outline of intellectual property law, or click to see cases digested under that point.